Look, how today is so? Where is the bread?
I'm surprised you never chop or and then said I can't say you scatter bread for that place.
Wait.
Never gather the bread and put for nylon, think I can't the chop first.
Wait, don't tell me say that bread where I put rat poison inside, me rats chop die. Those rats wey dey disturb us inside, na they chop so. Huh?
So what did they talk? No, this one a different bread what I see for inside. No be one way for wrap.
Wait, let me see this bread. Now bread where I put rice poison, I ain't carry come outside the chop.
Wait, mouth.
That's so the hungry rich.
Wait, make I see. Wait, make I understand something. I enter that place. I think bread will move around there. I don't carry bread.
Now the bread that they chop, so I put rat poison inside this bread. My brother.
You just that poison. I
Even I don't say don't get money for your ATM. I mean, don't give your ATM pin, I mean. I put rat poison for that bread, dude.